The online business. Did you know in 2025, around 87% of global consumers say they'll pay a premium for brands they trust? 60 to 65% of companies report that strong brand consistency contributes to approximately a 10 to 20% increase in revenue growth. Color improves brand recognition by up to 80%. Have you, as a business owner, followed the proper steps before you launched your business online? Are you a solopreneur who has to learn everything yourself before launching your business online? Or do you have a team that needs to be trained at maintaining your digital presence? The reality is 1. You have to hire a designer or a developer to attract your target audience. To communicate smoothly, you will need to have basic knowledge. 2. You do not have the expertise needed. 3. The team you hire will not have the expertise too. Through this course, you can have the right knowledge about everything you need before you launch and later to maintain your digital presence. What you will learn: 1. The sequence of right steps needed to be taken before your website is launched: branding, copy, photography, and social media. 2. About website design, development, and management. 3. What to do after the website is launched. Modules. Module 1. The foundations of business. Module 2. The branding. Module 3. The copy and content module. 4. Photography. Module 5. Social media. Module 6. The website. Module 7. Promotions. Have the knowledge to start with and then maintain your online presence by yourself or by your team. Make sure to comment or ask questions and download materials, if any, after each lesson. Let's go!